Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Dorian. Welcome to English 122. I'm really excited that you're here in my class, even though this is not my preferred way to teach. I much prefer face-to-face learning, and maybe you feel the same way. I just want to give you a little overview about this week. I will give you an overview about each week as it happens at the beginning of the week. I'll try to have videos ready on Sunday. Um, Most of our course takes place in these Canvas modules, which you can see on the screen. And this week, you are going to be going through a welcome module. So in this module, you'll be going through step by step. You do need to do each step before you can do the next one. There's a little bit about me. There's a letter welcoming you to the class. Then there's the syllabus, which is broken up into 10 or 11 little sections, and each one you do need to mark as having completed. And that's important because the syllabus is where you get the basic information about the class, and also the syllabus is a contract. So it tells you everything that I need to do as my part in the class, and it tells you everything you need to do in your part for the class. So you'll be reading the syllabus. You'll also be reading about how to navigate this course. Of course, every class is different, so some teachers might have you do things one way, and I might have you do something a different way. Hopefully, this part of our welcome module will help you see how we're going to do things in this class using Canvas. At the bottom, you'll see that there are 4 assignments due this week, and I'm going to talk about those in a moment. So one thing you'll be doing this week is going through this welcome module. And at the beginning of every week, you'll see not only a little video, but an overview of what we're doing this week and the assignments. I'm just going to show you that really quickly. Here's our week 1 overview. Here's what you should do this week. Go through the welcome module. I just kind of showed you that. Watch my video while you're doing that now. And then you're going to there's an assignment every weekday. Now, that doesn't mean you have to do them on that weekday, but if you like to do a little bit every day, then that's the way to do it. Or if you prefer, you can turn them all in on the following Saturday. So you'll notice for this first week of school that there's not an assignment for Monday. It's because that's the first day. There's not an assignment for Tuesday, but it does suggest that you start working through the welcome module. The welcome module is the assignment for Wednesday. And when you finish that, you'll see that there is an actual assignment associated with having read the welcome module. It's a file upload. You'll be writing a paragraph about yourself and uploading that to Canvas. On Thursday, the assignment is to write an introduction and to post that to Canvas. You'll see that the format there is discussion. And on Friday, your assignment is to read all of your classmates' introductions and write something. Actually, you're going to be making a visual representation of something that kind of captures who we are as a class. And again, you'll see that that is a file upload. And then just a reminder that even though I have the assignments laid out for each day, if you wanted to turn them all in on Saturday, you could. It just depends on how you like to do stuff. Okay, I think that is it. I think that's the overview for the week. And I think you're going to have a good week, and I'm looking forward to a semester with you.